blonde hair, grey eyes, nose, ears, teeth, mouth, happy face, sad face, planet, monster.
Miss Sid, this isn't our house. Where are we?
Welcome to Planet Zickum. My name's Ziggy.
Oh look, he hasn't got any hair. And he has got very big ears.
Yes, I've got big ears and I can hear everything.
Why have you got a sad face?
I haven't got any hair. Can you help me?
Miss Sid, have you got your magic book?
Has he got green eyes?
No, he hasn't. He's got blue eyes. No, she hasn't. She's got blonde hair.
Has she got brown eyes?
No, she hasn't. She's got green eyes.
Has he got black hair?
No, he hasn't. He's got white hair.
Ugly, beautiful, body, arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes.
Oh no, he's got hair on his arms and legs. I can't see his fingers or his toes. Try again, Miss Sid. Now he's got hair on his face and body.
Help! Look! An ugly monster!
Hurry up, Miss Sid. Try again.
Look at Ziggy now! He's got beautiful hair! Oh, thank you, thank you.
You've got a happy face now, Ziggy.
Goodbye, everybody! Thank you!
Colour the monster's head green. Colour the body yellow. Now find the monster's arms and colour them brown. Colour the hands and the feet pink. Now colour the legs blue.
How many arms has the monster got?
It's got 4 arms.
How many faces has the monster got?
It's got 2 faces.
How many legs has the monster got?
It's got 3 legs.
How many toes has the monster got?
It's got 6 toes.
How many fingers has the monster got?
It's got 12 fingers.
Look at my picture. It's Frankie the monster. He's got a very big head and 3 big green eyes. He's got a big red mouth, but he hasn't got any teeth. He's got 4 arms and 4 fingers. He's got 4 legs and 4 big feet. Frankie's got beautiful pink hair.